Howdy! It's Carnival season in Cologne and it's also looking more and more like spring, and I thought, why not combine those two things and do a little bit of planting and gardening on my balcony in Cologne in my cowboy outfit. I got 5 plants in the garden center yesterday. I, for example, got these Fritillaria meleagris. They're commonly known as chest plants or snake's heads. I've had a lot of success on my previous balcony in Münster with these plants, and I think they're so pretty, and yeah, I'm quite excited to plant them. They need a lot of water, and this is quite a it's a south-facing balcony, so it's gonna be quite hot on here, but I think for spring it should be fine. And I need to make sure to water them a lot because they prefer moist soil, so they don't really want to dry out too much. I got 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. And then, yeah, because I'm already expecting this balcony to receive a lot of sun, a lot of heat over the summer, I got a few more herbs. So I got thyme, just a generic thyme, because I think herbs are going to do really well on this balcony in the heat. And then finally oregano. So let's plant them. Not too much has changed since my last video, but I added a few plants here and there, and I also added this broken pot over here. I really enjoyed the color and the shape of the pot, and I didn't want to throw it away. So I was thinking of maybe adding this thyme into the broken pot, like having it a little bit raised, and then have the chest plant dotted in the back. This is where they also receive the most rainwater. It's a little bit, the balcony is protected by a roof, but when it rains a little bit more heavily, they will get a chance to get a little bit of rainwater at least. And then, in this corner, I will plant the oregano. Next to it I have lavender, and I think some tulips from the previous owner are starting to pop up. Then I have some hebes, some heucheras, 2 of them, some succulents that actually survived the winter here, and rosemary in the back. Yeehaw! We are done with the planting, and my balcony is slowly getting there. I think I still have quite a bit of plants to buy and to plant and for them to grow, but I'm quite happy that it's slowly filling up. Let me show you. So I now have this oregano in the corner of my raised bed, which was empty before, so happy for it to be filled. Then tucked behind the lavender are 4 of the small chest plants. Some more chest plants over here, tucked in between the hebe. And then the thyme in the broken pot, raised. I think when this fills up, I think it's gonna be really cute. And then finally, the final group of chest plants. I need to make sure to put some more soil over the bulbs, but otherwise they should be fine. I hope you enjoyed the video and I wish you a wonderful carnival season. Kölle Alaf!